Wash the motor, Nico.
Are you washing, Nico? Danny, are you rinsing? Danny, you're getting daddy wet. Look at mommy. Look at mommy, say
If you
cheese.
don't mind with this heat. Not yet. I'm almost ready to wash it off.
Hi, Nico, you gonna wash it? Whose moto is that?
Who drives the motor?
Thanks, Danny. It's mommy's. Do you like washing it, Danny?
Okay. All the bubbles have to come off, sweetie. Rinse the motor, pumpkin. Can you get the front, sweetheart?
Good washing.
You're doing great.
Good job.